Hi, happy Friday and welcome to Torah Today here with me, Javi Rappaport. The Torah as relevant today as yesterday. Listen and you'll see for yourself. How could we go through the entire week and not address the beauty, the topic of Achdut? At the giving of the Torah, standing at Mount Sinai, Vayichan Sham Yisrael, Vayichan, in singular form. And Rashi tells us, the commentary, Ki ish echad b'lev echad, like one man with one heart. We had it then, and we strive so much to reenact that beautiful utopian state of Ki ish echad. You want to know something ironic? The Torah describes the Egyptians chasing after the Jewish people. And you know what the Torah says? B'lev echad ki ish echad. The Egyptians pursued the Jews with one heart, like one man. It almost sounds like, hey, wow, they've got that unity too. What's the difference between the description of the Egyptians and the descriptions of Bnei Yisrael, the Jewish people, standing ready to receive the Torah? There's a phenomenal difference. Notice the change in the words. With us, the description of Vayichan Sham Yisrael, it's first Ki ish echad. And the reason when it describes the Egyptians, it starts with the heart, because they were all interested in their own whatever it was. But in their heart, they had one purpose, and that was to destroy the Jews. The hatred of the Jews was so strong that drove them together in unison. And that's why they were able to temporarily be Ki ish echad. But with us, it's a whole different situation. It's the heart of the man. First, Ki ish echad. One person, everybody striving with the same goal. Yes, we have our differences, but it's Ki ish echad first, and then b'lev echad. It's not a negative that's pulling us together. It's one goal that we strive for together. And why not take the topic for a minute and talk about it? We know we keep saying in Eretz Yisrael the slogan, Yachad Ninatzeach, Yachad Ninatzeach, and everybody is talking about the unity. How can I bring that unity into my daily life? Let me invite another's thoughts. Let me ask for another's opinion. Let me value another's perspective. Let me not look down at someone who knows less, who seems to look like less. Let me draw in those people that look like they need a kind word. Somebody who feels maybe outside of the crowd or somehow does not have that confidence. Light up the person with, whether it's inviting them in or some kind word to uplift them, to realize we are one. We really are. And Hashem has given each one of us something unique. But all of us have something unique. And we need to reach out and look for that and treasure that. And in that way, keep unifying us. Thank you for bringing that to my attention. Thank you for teaching me that. You inspire me. You inspire me. Let's work towards that real oneness, because that's what we all need. And between you and me, that's definitely what God is waiting for. And may we all go together, Ki ish echad b'lev echad, like then, towards the final Geula, where we will once again stand together and witness the greatest revelation of God. Have an incredible day and Shabbat Shalom.